In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email documents to your account in DocuSign. This is an incredibly useful feature when you want to keep a record of signed documents, ensure they're stored correctly, or simply to streamline your workflow. Let's dive right into it and make this process as smooth as possible. First things first, you'll want to log into your DocuSign account. If you're not already on the DocuSign website, head over to your web browser and type in DocuSign.com. Once the page loads, you'll see the option to enter your credentials and sign in. If you've chosen to save your login information previously, this part will be a breeze. If not, make sure you have your details handy. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top of the page and locate the tab labeled Agreements. Give that a click and you'll be routed to a page dedicated to all your document transactions. This section is where you can manage, view, and handle all your DocuSign documents with ease. Now, what you're looking for are your completed documents. These are files that have gone through the signing process and are finalized. Scan through your list or use any search function available to pinpoint the specific document you intend to email to your account. This functionality makes it easy to keep everything organized and at your fingertips. Once you have found your desired document, hover your mouse over it. You will notice 3 small dots appear, typically located towards the right-hand side of the files row. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. They represent additional actions you can take with that document. Among the options you see, there will be one labeled Forward. You're going to want to select this option. Forwarding allows you to send a copy of the completed document to any email, which is exactly what we need to do here. Now comes the key part. You'll be asked to enter the recipient's information. Here, you should add yourself as the recipient. Many people overlook this simple trick, but it ensures that you have a concise copy of the document in your personal email, making it easily accessible at a moment's notice. After entering your email address, find the button labeled Next and click it to proceed. This confirms your choice to forward the document, essentially wrapping up the process. You're now well on your way to having those documents seamlessly emailed to your own account. By following these steps, you can rest easy knowing that your documents are not only signed and stored within DocuSign, but also available right within your own email inbox, ready for whenever you need them. Keep this method in your toolkit for managing your digital documents efficiently. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful.